Finally, YouTube, it is here. My Xiaomi Redmi Note 3. It took me a lot of weeks to have this one, and I finally have this cell phone. I got a new cell phone for my unboxing. So to start off, let us start with my rusty scissors. This is a very well packaged. If you leave it to me. Oh, it's hard to pull out these. See, I'm gonna rip this off. I'm gonna rip it apart. It will take a lot of muscle to do this, or a little bit rusty scissor. So here it is. Whew. That's 1 minute. This is the Xiaomi Redmi Note 3, and this is a dual SIM and dual standby. This version is it has a 4G 3GB RAM, 32GB ROM. This color is gold. So here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Wow. Well, you look at that. This is the Xiaomi Redmi Note 3. So we're gonna slip this on. Wow, this is a very beautiful phone. This is I think this is 5.5 inches. I forgot, but I will put it on the description below. So what is included in the box? Let's open it up. This is the, let's see what's inside this. I think yeah, here we go. This is the instruction manual. It says here that thank you for purchasing the Redmi Note 3. Visit us on our, and here is the, what is this? FCC note. I don't know what's that, but let's go to the box. We have this, the portable charger cable. See, and then the USB charger. What else is included in the box? There's nothing else, so that's it. Thank you for watching.